Today is Swamchuk reporting for SFT TV, and what's going on today is that SFT volunteers and the local Tibetan people are going to perform their Grand Central Freeze, which is a non-violent political action to show solidarity with the Tibetan people inside Tibet and to protest against China's illegal occupation of Tibet.
My name is and I'm an intern at Students for Free Tibet. And today what we did was we hung a banner that said One World, One Dream, Free Tibet. And everybody that was here posed for 5 minutes in order to show solidarity with the Tibetan people. And my hands are hurting, but it's not the same pain as the Tibetan people have suffered so far in Tibet. So I just want to say thank you, and you guys should have your own actions. Contact studentsforfreetibet.org and learn more about